Benefits of semolina. One of the most common diseases today is diabetes. It affects all male and female at all ages, even known to affect children from the ages of 10 years old. Well, because it is manageable, it is important for everyone to know which foods help to manage the diabetes so as to not have any high cholesterol or high blood sugar. One of these is semolina because it is digested and absorbed in the intestine slowly, thus ensuring it controls the high blood pressure and lowers all sugar levels. When you are losing weight, one of the most important thing is to not eat as much so as to control the amount of food you are having. Well, for everyone who is losing weight, one knows that how this is a struggle. Well, fortunately with the use of salmonella in the diet, because it is digested and absorbed slowly in the stomach, one begins to feel full constantly and does not feel hungry and does not feel like eating. It helps to curb the hunger pangs and also lowers the appetite. For anyone who plays sports or has a busy day-to-day lifestyle, it is important to fill your body with foods that have energy. You want to have energy constant and not be weak and drowsy all day. Well, when it comes to semolina, it's a great choice of diet, and this can be had in the morning for breakfast so as to constantly give your body the energy it needs so as to carry along the day-to-day busy schedule. So if you play sports or an exercise person or just need to have constant energy at all times, include salmonella for positive results. So we are told for us to grow up, we need a balanced diet. A balanced diet is important for the body to keep you healthy and feeling and good at all times. When it comes to salmonella, it is whole balanced meal in one. It is low in fats, full of vitamins, nutrients, and fiber, and also contains trans fatty acids and saturated acids. All of these help to keep the body healthy and feeling good at all times.